Well, I'm getting up here. I'm at Darfur's place. I ended up spending the night in the parking lot. Kind of nice. I've got a little view here. And we both got a good night's sleep. Darfur's getting ready for work. Just wanted to thank you again, man, for having me stay and, you know, picking such an awesome spot. Really enjoyed Cooper's Landing.
Yeah, it was. You know, as many times as I've been through on a mountain bike, I never stopped and camped.
Actually camped.
And I should have.
Yeah.
It was a totally different experience.
It's good times, man. Very organic, grassroots type experience with the locals and the musicians and everyone that works there. Super cool. Love Missouri, man. I know it's your hometown, so you might be sick of it and wanting to get out, but I appreciate it again, and until we meet again.
Okay, sounds good.
Right on. The adventure continues. Alright, it is time to hit the road. I'm going to try to get an early start this morning. I'm going to drive about 250 miles to my next camp. So we'll see how this goes. And away we go. Wow, check out this bridge. Crossing over the Mississippi River. Coming into Illinois. Hello, Illinois. Goodbye, Missouri. A long time since I've been in Illinois. Well, here's our exit. Montrose, Illinois. There is a sign I passed, as well as looks like another one here. For Spring Creek Campground, that's our spot. We cross under the interstate. Now we'll see if we can find this place here. Looks like it might be next to a cemetery. That's cool. Right next to a cemetery. City Park, camping. St. Rose Catholic Cemetery. Oh yeah, here's the spots right here. I'll give you a little shot of the spot here. I actually can't walk too far away because the grass next to this gravel is totally flooded. I want to sink in there, but I'm just kind of set up on this little gravel strip. Pretty close to the highway. Pretty loud highway noise. And we are right next to a cemetery over here. That's kind of cool. And the lake is just right over here. So I'll probably take a walk over there. It is pretty chilly out today, but we'll go check out the lake real quick. That's a nice little lake. A few geese hanging out. Looks like there is a path that goes all the way around. There's some more picnic benches and that. Neat little spot. That will work for an overnight. Well, we're waking up to a cloudy morning here in Montrose, Illinois. Kind of forget what state I'm in. I'm in Illinois now. This is their city park here in Montrose, which is a very small town, so I believe there's just one city park. It's right off the highway, right off Interstate 70. Was a little bit of highway noise because we're so close, and there's a train track that runs right by here, so there was a train, probably about 4 in the morning this morning that I heard. And we are right by a cemetery as well, so I think I'm gonna walk over and walk through the cemetery. I don't know what it is, I just like walking through cemeteries. And we've got the lake right over here, so I'll probably take a walk down by the lake. Take my time getting out of here this morning. Did have one other neighbor, but he pulled out pretty early, and yesterday I did notice the Montrose city maintenance work truck coming in and out quite a few times. Other than that, there's really been no one else coming in here. It's been pretty peaceful. Of course, it's been pretty rainy as well. here we go. I love when city parks offer camping. Always have a really good experience. Gonna be using Interstate 70 again. And away we go. We're coming into Indiana. Goodbye, Illinois. Hello, Indiana. Here we are, coming into Ohio. Goodbye, Indiana. Hello, Ohio. Find it here. All right, let's see what we find. It's our third state today. Started out in Illinois, went all the way through Indiana and into Ohio. Campground, City of Stowe. Came up on me. Nice little lake here. This will work. I need to just chill out for a few days. We're driving so much. Wow, that squirrel was black. I've never seen a black squirrel. All right, pick a spot already, huh? Here we go. This looks the most level. Perfect. We're in. Lights off. Well, we'll give you a shot of the spot here. Pretty simple. Some of those birds chirping. Managed to get fairly level there. Kind of in the trees a little bit. Very nice. Got a little bench, fire ring. There's actually some wood there, but it's soaked. Some of those birds. Sounds like a train nearby too. Well, it has rained for the last couple days here at this campground in Stowe, Ohio, so I pretty much just stayed in the van. Got a lot of work done on the laptop, watched some movies, did some reading, and I've also been kind of studying maps, trying to figure out my route from here to my destination in Maine. I'm going to be probably pulling into the Portland, Maine area first, and I just don't know as far as from here. I know I'm going to be going through Pennsylvania. I do have a stop at a camp near a state park in Pennsylvania, and then I want to go through kind of central New York, through Vermont, New Hampshire, and then into Maine, not kind of, take a more southern route and go through Massachusetts and that. So I'm looking in the maps and kind of at a loss. I'm just, looking at different routes, different highways, and trying to punch in towns on Google and see what's in the area, what I can do for camping, and I'm not really coming up with much of a consistent route that's not going to have me doing too much weaving and burning up too many miles and too much time. So if anyone has any suggestions, please, if you're familiar with the Northeast, let me know as far as a route trying to go through those states that I mentioned and ending up in Maine. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with. Tomorrow it is supposed to clear up here, so it's actually supposed to be quite a nice day. So I'm going to go to a national park in Ohio. I did not know there was a national park in Ohio. It is a Cuyahoga National Park. It's just near this town where I'm staying at this campground. So I'm going to probably spend the whole day exploring that. We'll bring you guys along. That'll be the next video. So yeah, that's that. I hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care.